Hi, and welcome back to another episode of YAS, Youth and Sports. Today, we're back at the Talladega Short Track, where we've got some juice box race car drivers that are going to show you what they can do on the track. But before we get to that, let's go ahead and check in and see what one of them does in real life and what he really likes, and you might learn some things from him. Let's check in with Xander Jackson. You are a race car driver.
Yes, I am.
How many cars do you have in your collection?
600.
Wow, that is a lot of cars. Well, tell me about some of these you brought out here today.
This one is the red owl. And this one is the fastest one.
How fast does it go?
100,000 miles per hour. That is Gravedigger. He has one does donuts. He also pops a wheel like this. He can pop a wheelie.
Now, if you were given the chance to drive a race car or to drive something like Gravedigger, which one you want to drive?
All of them. Gravedigger is the goodest one. I got a Gravedigger car, like my Gravedigger monster truck. I painted it purple and pink.
Did you put flames on it too?
Yeah!
Wow.
It's Bone Shaker. The one at Hot Wheels City, you see that movie of it?
That's really fast.
I found a bolt.
Ooh.
It's useful. You can build things with it. This is the Black Speedway. I got this one a little dirty last time. I just had an ice cone today at school, that's why you see my what's red. This goes 100,000 miles per hour. Look, it goes that fast. They're the same colors. He goes 100 miles per hour. So I can't show you right here because look, there's not enough room. Did I tell you about this car?
How fast does your race car go?
100,000 miles per hour.
Your go-kart does?
Yeah.
Why do you wear a bandana?
So my hair won't get my eyes.
And do you wear sunglasses too?
No, because they slip. I practice drive on grass.
So you're racing out there tonight.
Yeah.
So what do you tell yourself when you're pulling out on that track? What are you thinking?
No, I tell them, eat my toast.
What is your favorite food to eat?
Fries and empty burgers.
And what do you like on them?
Pickles.
What's your favorite song? And is there a race car driver that is your favorite that you really look up to, Xander?
Yeah, Adam. He's the best one on this track. Adam, he wins a bunch of races.
Is this the favorite race car driver you just told me about? Tell me about him.
Ready?
So Adam, did you teach him some stuff?
Drivers meeting is now. Drivers meeting is now over in turn one.
That's my little buddy right here.
I got the same number like you.
I know you do.
Wow, Xander, you know so much about cars and race cars. I can't believe how fast some of these go and how fast your juice box goes. That's incredible. You have done a great job racing, and you know what? Xander's going to be one that hopefully we're going to get to watch grow up in the racing circuit. And who knows? He may be back here one day as an adult winning some big cups, or he may be on the NASCAR circuit. Let's keep our eyes out for Xander Jackson. That's going to be it for another episode of Yes. We want to thank you for joining us, and we'll see you back here soon.